So today we're still on Downloader, and what we realised over the last day or so, when Downloader disappeared, now it's back again on your devices, what we realised is how much people rely on a Downloader code. Okay, those short codes we all use. Not many people use Downloader and just search in general. A lot of people use this Downloader app and they type in a certain code which takes you to either stores or websites. And what people don't always realise is you can use these codes without Downloader. So when Downloader's missing, you can use these codes. You can use it on your PC if you want to download something. You can use it on your Android mobile phone. You can use it on an Android TV device. You can use it on a box. Whichever device you use without Downloader, you can use these codes. And I'm going to show you how straight after this. So before we get going, if you're brand new here, do remember to hit that subscribe button. If you're confused what I'm talking about, last couple of days, we've done a few videos. Downloader got removed from the store. Now it's back, which is great, but we need to be prepared for when it does get removed again. We also showed you how to install apps without Downloader. Those videos are on the channel, so hit that subscribe button. And if you're a regular watcher here, do remember to watch till the end. Okay, so what we can do, we can use Downloader codes without the Downloader app. And it's either be on your phone or anything like that, even on a computer. And I'm going to show you that now as well. So this is Downloader. So for instance, what I would normally use in Downloader here, I would type my own code. So if I typed 75726, what that would do would go to my website, okay? And it'll redirect, job done, we agree to the terms, and you have to do that once. And that will go to my website. Okay, and this is similar to many, many stores. Yeah, all there, no problem. Not a problem at all. Okay, so what's the difference? What's going on here? So if you didn't have Downloader, you can use actually web browsers to do this. For instance, if you're on your PC, I'm just going to show on my PC with a web browser. This is exactly the same on a mobile phone. So if in the search bar, you typed aftv.news/, okay, now you can type in the code. Okay, so if we type 75726, you click go, and it does the same thing. That's redirecting to my website again, okay? So as you see there, that's redirected to my downloads page where we can download any of our applications. And you can do the same for any code. So it's aftv.news/ and then any code. The same thing works on your phone. So if you're on your Chrome app, let me find that for you now. So for instance, if you wanted something on your mobile phone, let's go a little bit bigger, right there. It's a bit dark in here today, but if you wanted something on your phone, you go into your Chrome, search or type URL. So let's type one. aftv.news/. I'm just using my code for demonstrations. I'll link that underneath as well. So you can type af.tv news/75726. You click go, and that will now load. It would do the same thing as always. We agree to them, and that's now loading straight through to my website again. So you can do it on your phone and everything like that. And this would hopefully help answer a few questions, because the amount of people I see on Facebook, how do I install Downloader on a mobile phone? You don't need to, use your web browser. How do I install Downloader on an Android box? You don't need to, use a web browser. Yes, we know on Android TV and FIRESTICK you might need Downloader because the restrictions are a little bit different around browsers. And obviously you can find your Downloader in your stores again now. But for any reason, if Downloader gets removed, do check out my videos and make sure you pay attention to what we do here. Because what we do here is obviously keeping you all up to date on all these videos on what's actually going on. Brilliant. Hopefully that helped you. It's a real quick video today for a Thursday. We've got another video coming for you tomorrow, which you're going to love. So do hit that subscribe button. Quick word from one of our partners. If you are interested in a VPN, before you disappear, we have VPNs linked underneath. IP vanishes are still on offer. So until this offer ends, we're going to keep telling you about it. We get a small commission, helps us do what we do. So if at any point you ever wanted to say thank you to us, we don't take donations or anything like that. But if you did buy a VPN via one of our affiliate links, we get a little small commission, helps us do what we do. If you're not after a VPN, don't worry about it. Just hit that thumbs up, hit that share, and we'd appreciate that as well. Brilliant. So I've been Doc Squiffy. This is the Doc Squiffy channel. Thank you all for watching. If you're watching this on any other platform, hit that follow button, look us up on YouTube, and I'll see you soon.